Ryoshis Vision is another hidden gem according to my research here. It's up 38% of the day, and I do believe it has so much room and opportunity to grow. And let's talk about it, and I even show you as well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, Ryoshi Vision AMA. Now think about this now. You having a token that's branding themselves in the music, in the concert industry, and they're even holding an AMA on a Discord group, which I think is a really good idea. It's very interesting why they're doing this. So I dug a little bit deeper into this, and I went to the website, and it definitely says that. Ryoshis Vision, Vision Day, Ryoshis Music. So, okay, we all love music, right? So let's dig even deeper into that. So what I did was I looked at some of the white paper, and I got to this page that says this: tokens burned to the SHIB contract address is that much. Now remember, you can earn Ryoshi Vision tokens just by bearing your SHIB in Shibaswap that looks like this. Now I know it says coming soon, so my understanding things are being updated in Shibaswap, but you can see your Ryoshi Vision tokens. And even it says this here, 6 months, you should be getting rewards in the Ryoshi Vision tokens. So when I go back over here, I'm like, okay, music, okay, tokenomics, I'm understanding this. I understand they are helping with the burn process because it says 100% of the liquidity tokens burned to the SHIB address. That's not bad at all. It's pretty good because it definitely helps SHIB as well. But then again, I looked over here and I saw this, the fact that, you know what, they've got other things they want to try to do. And one of them is the music. Another one is games, esports, metaverse, and more. So they don't want it to start by just a token. They want to have utility and a purpose out there in the world. So I'm starting to think this may be pretty big. It could. And I'm seeing on the actual percentages, it's up. But remember that I said you do earn Ryoshi Vision tokens just by bearing your SHIB. It doesn't say it right here because they upgrading the system. But then again, I went to the captain spreadsheet and I added this up. In 20 weeks, a single person should have this amount in 6 months. 6 months. Let me go back and look. Let me make sure. So it says 6 months. Okay, 6 months of waiting, you should get 291 million tokens. So I'm like, okay, how much could that be worth over time? Now, right now, if you got those tokens just by bearing a SHIB, it'd be worth about $114 based off right now's prices. You know, pretty close enough, as you see. Price going up and down. So anytime it moves in price, you're basically earning free tokens, and now you can kind of project a little bit of those free tokens. Now remember, according to the white paper, not trying to skip around, it doesn't matter how much Ryoshi Vision tokens you have. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you have 1 Shiba or 10 Shiba or 10 billion Shiba, you're still going to get the same amount as everybody else. That's what I'm trying to say. So you get an equal amount. It even says this: we choose to reward the Shibaswap ecosystem as follows. Equal amount of Ryoshi to all ex-SHIB hodlers. All SHIB hodlers. Ex-SHIB just means that you bearing your SHIB in Shibaswap, in short. An equal amount, which I love this. So that means that you can go back over here and say, you know what? In 6 months, I should get this amount here. And so now the price starts to move a little bit. I can start saying, okay, if the price gets here, it's worth that much. You can kind of do that. Why not do that? So in my opinion, I like Ryoshi Vision. And now I can project, okay, free tokens, and I can buy my own tokens. So you can buy your own tokens and project it from there. And I'll show you my complete my swap portfolio. And I do have Ryoshi Vision tokens in there as well, just to show, share the wealth. Little Timmy would like that as well. So what I'm saying here, it's a good project, solid. It's solid. You know, it's good with the Shibaswap. It's good with the music esports game. At least that's kind of the plan. That's the branding. You see, they're doing the branding of the music. They want to really, really do that. And I think it's something to really watch out. I'm going to be following it as well, keeping track of this. And if you want to learn more about it, click on the link below. You go right to the website of Ryoshi Vision. You go right to this website here. Read the white paper, do your research, because it may not fit you. You don't have to get everything in the cabinet. I mean, if it doesn't work for you that day, just put it back in the cabinet or don't even look at it. I'm just showing you things of options of stuff to look at. Don't have to jump on it. You can just research it and make sure it works for you. Because it doesn't work for you, don't get it. I like the token because I'm liking where it's going and it's hitting areas where I don't see other tokens are hitting. And that's the music. You don't really hear a lot about that. And I think if they can get that together, and check it out, they have an AMA. They have an AMA this Friday, in a Discord group. I think it's this Friday, right? So love to learn more about what they're going on. And I think it has a lot of potential here. So let's see what happens. And you can get Ryoshi Vision on Shibaswap, and Uniswap. That's all I got. The captain is signing out. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.